out of control, bro. Wait, whoa. This horse. Yo, this horse out of control. Hey, niggas, wait. Relax. Wait.
Let me show you magic.
Hold on. Bro. Just use my phone. Henry, get my phone. My phone. Here, Daryl, here. All right, look. We just hit 50.6 in Ghana, baby. 50.6 in Ghana.
Let me show you magic.
What?
Let me show you magic.
Magic?
Like that. I can fly. I can go to the eye. I can go up.
You can fly?
Yes. I can go up.
He can fly. Fly.
Stop this, let's do this.
Fly.
You want to come with me? Let's go. Hold me tight.
Fly.
Hold me tight. Hit me, guy. Hit me.
Bro, fly, bro.
No, hit me. Fly, bro. Let's do it.
Fly, bro.
Let's do this.
Just fly.
Let's go.
Just fucking fly. All this bullshit.
No, it's not bullshit.
Just fly.
Let's do this.
Hurry up.
Damn.
Hold me tight.
Just fucking fly.
No, I'm doing it.
Fly, bro.
It's time.
Fly.
No, it's time.
Fly, go fly.
IShowSpeed's this time, no. You know I love you so much.
Hurry up.
I love you.
Fucking fly.
Let's do it.
Fly there.
No, let's do it, bro.
Fly.
Let's do this.
Then do it. What the hell was that?
You're not locking shoulders. I told you, U-shape.